Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So this is maybe episode 9 or 10, I don't know, of my entrepreneur vlog. So I've been getting a lot of questions on how to make flyers, what else? Your own logo. So that's what I'm going to be showing you all today. I'm going to show you all how I make my flyers, my logo, any kind of like advertisement on my Instagram. So I'm going to be showing you all of that. But I want to say this about logos. So today, while you're watching this video, I want you to look around at the logos around you. So, I mean, a lot of people like really glitterish, like the 3D glitter text logos. But if you look around you, a lot of the logos are very simple. Like, okay, I have my Morphe spray here. There's Morphe's logo. I have my NYX here. NYX's logo. Basically, every logo everywhere is just so simple. So, don't get caught up in like this glitter text and stuff. So I told you all I have basically 2 logos. So this is the logo on my business card. This is considered more like an image-based logo. I know a lot of people put these little lashes on their L or whatever, but like this is an image-based logo. So for my boxes, here's my box. I wanted my I wanted the logo down here to be text-based, and I wanted it hot stamped on the box because you see like when I twist the box, you see like the gold and it looks like really beautiful. I don't know, I think it looks beautiful. Instead of just getting this logo, the logo on here just on this box, I wanted it to be like this gold hot stamped, basically is what it's called. So if you like your logo like that, then you want it hot stamped. But when you get your logo hot stamped, these are the snake eye lashes from my brand called Casino Lashes. These are snake eyes, you guys. So if you want them, check them out. But so when you get like, so when you try to get hot stamped, you have to get like an image-based, text-based, very simple logo. But it ends up looking very pretty. So I'm going to be showing you all how I made this logo, because I made it straight from my phone. So I hope you all enjoy this video. I'm also showing you all how I make my flyers. So I also made this straight from my phone, showing you all that today. So anyway, look at the logos around you. And I hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it, guys. Bye. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to show you all is how I made my logo. So this is the logo I just showed you all on my boxes, the hot stamp logo. So the app I'm using is Phonto. You see it in the right corner over there. So they have a bunch of different fonts you can choose from. So I'm just going to try to find a somewhat attractive font to make my logo with. So I kind of played with these fonts for a minute, so bear with me, you guys. Try to fast forward it just a little. So what I'm gonna do here is just choose an attractive font for the casino part, and then I'm also I want a normal print logo for that, and then for the word lashes, I'll be using like a cursive, a nice cursive font that I liked on Phonto. And I'm just going to keep the logo black because when you send your logo to your vendor, they can change it to be any color you want it to be. So I chose gold, but it could be purple, pink, like literally anything. So also so my logo is nice, however I want it. It's the way I want it. So now I'm going to try to add a little clip art or something. This will be really cool if you're putting this on your website, but I'm not sure if they can actually hot stamp your clip art. So you can just Google clip art. Don't pay attention to my tabs. But one thing I really like about making my own logo is that I'm able to have it horizontal, vertical, kind of like you see. I'll kind of play with lashes and put it like kind of to the left or kind of to the right, whatever. But it's just something, it's really nice to have complete freedom over your logo. So I'm just going to size the little clip art the way I want it and save the picture. Save it to my phone. So I actually am going to use the one without the clip art, but as you can see, when I'm kind of spinning it around, that it has the white background. So we're going to go remove that white background right now. So I'm going to use the app Eraser. It's just Eraser. And I'm going to click target area and just click off the target area, all the white. So after you click off the big white background, you have to like zoom in to certain letters and delete that white too. So this is the target area. So now the logo is the way I wanted it. So I'm going to show you the difference on my phone. So like when I move this down, there's no white behind it. So it's a PNG. I can put it on my website, a black background, anything. When I move that around, the white background is there. Okay, so now we're on Casino Lashes Instagram page. Make sure to follow me, you guys. Follow me. So I'm going to show you all how I make all these little social media flyers. I'm showing you all making them blink and everything. I'm going to Phonto again. Phonto is the app I use for literally everything. My thumbnail, everything. So I'm just going to save a white background. So you have to go in and just have a plain image. Save the white background. And every time you add an image on top of another image on Phonto, you have to go to the left, those three little lines there, and actually click add image because you don't want it to just completely take over the image. So I'm going to actually add the black background. So that black background is actually an item. So on the left you see when you click those three lines, you can do image, you can add an image or add an item. So that's what the black background I put on top of it is. So now I'm just going to add my words, use the code. So this is like whatever code you want to use. Just have it centered, have it visually appealing. And my code here was VIP20. So there are a lot of different things you can play around with in Phonto to make your things stand out. So I'm going to show you all that. And you also want to say what they're getting with that code. So you could just say money off or something. Or in my case, it was 20% off your entire order. Okay, so like here, I was just saying that at the bottom because I usually do kind of interesting things. But you're going to go, I want to add stroke, so like a background to it. So one stroke, I want red on the outside, white on the inside, and I'm going to save that image. Then the next time I'm going to do red on the inside, white on the outside, and I'm going to save that image. So I'm going to take these images, the two images I just saved. Oh yeah, right here. You can also like change it to where it varies between each color to where it's like red, white, using the color pattern at the bottom of the text area. So that's something I kind of played with too. So at first I did red, white, then I'm going to do white, red. So that's what you see me doing. So there's a lot of cool little patterns you can do with your colors, and you'll see how it turns out. So I'm going to go to the app. You have my two colors right there. That's what I'm showing you all. Next, I'm going to the app Gif Maker, and I'm going to make my own GIF out of those two colors. So that's how it looks, and then I can speed it up to where it looks like a carnival or something, and that's what I did with that. You can make it go fast, slow, and I was out of saves on this app, so I actually just screen recorded exactly the thing, and then I'm going to just steal it basically. So last, I'm going to show you all how I make these PR flyers and how I make the little flyers I put in every order. So follow me on Instagram, Casino Lashes. As you can see, it's kind of in the background of that thing really quickly. But so I also make that on Phonto. So I'm going to do the plain image thing again, but since this is the photo I'm going to be using, I'm using a regular photo. Like, you have to know the dimensions of a regular photo, like ones you print out at Walgreens, because that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I have to look up the dimensions. So it's 1200 by 1800. A regular photo is that big. And I'm going to add the image, whatever image I'm using. So my image was this. Make it big enough to fit in the area. And I'm going to add my text. So I wanted it to be like horizontal, but I don't know if you can change the orientation on Phonto. So I kind of had to work everything to the side. So everything I did, I ended up tilting it 90 degrees. So everything would be like to the side like that. So mine is thank you for your purchase. You may want to add a discount code of some sort. Use the code. For the example of this was like thank you 15, I think. That's not the real code, so don't try to use that, you guys. But yeah, so whatever code you want to use, you can put that there. Oh, thank you 10. And once again, I have to rotate it 90 degrees. I'm sorry if this is going too fast. If you all have any questions, ask in the comments. Yeah. So also, you can add whatever pictures you want. So I don't have anything in my phone that you all couldn't see, I guess. But yeah. So you can add an image wherever you want. Rotate it 90 degrees again. So that's basically what you're doing every single time. So also, someone wanted me to show you all how I send these to Walgreens, because the paper is actually like a regular photo, that glossy stuff that most photos are. So I'm going to show you all how exactly you can send these to Walgreens too. Okay, so I'm going to save the photo like normally, and I'm just going to go to Walgreens Photo. I'm going to go to Safari, go to Walgreens Photo, and open my photo gallery and print my photo. I have to pick the dimensions. It's 4x6, not 4x7. And then whatever quantity you want to use, you do that. So you can have it delivered or pick it up in store the same day. So that's pretty cool, like 2 hours later. And there's always coupons online for the Walgreens Photo. I got 50% off. So make sure you Google that on like Retail Me Not and stuff. So that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.